Hey guys, welcome to Tech Force. Today I'll be reviewing the Anker Portable Wireless Charger. For $36, stay tuned to find out what makes the Anker Portable Wireless Charger so good and better than most wireless chargers. Provided in the box, we have the product itself, a charging cable, a case predominantly black with a hint of blue, making it look quite nice, and finally the manuals. My initial thoughts were that it's slightly heavy at 7.4 ounces, but after comparing other power banks, I guess this is the case with most power banks, so it's not that big an issue. In terms of size, I personally found it quite compact and nice to use. The charging port on the charger is that splendid and super USB-C port, which I think is a nice addition. Also, you find a battery indicator on the charging pack when it is on. A unique feature which might not initially be noticed is the wireless charging. This power bank has two USB ports as well as a wireless charging feature. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tech videos. Goodbye for now.